Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Welcome to AP Biology on October 1st. And here we are. All right, so looking ahead for today. Today's kind of a work day. All right, so that means doing your reading guides, working on the review. Again, the review is 5 points. Not a big deal if you don't do it. However, it will greatly prepare you for the test on Tuesday and Wednesday. Part 3, work on that pivot from yesterday. And part 4 is do the multiple choice quiz online. So those 4 things are what you can be working on. And then 5, probably the most important, get your missing work in. Okay? If I don't have it in after this weekend, I'm going to put a 0 in the grade book, and that'll greatly affect your grade, because I think some of the missing things are like labs and stuff like that. So make sure you get stuff in, and I will be grading all your stuff this weekend, so I will get that in before the test. And yeah, so work on all those things, okay? Honestly, sorry, see, huh? A little boring on the video today. But I hope everyone has a wonderful Friday. Enjoy the weekend. Go hang out outside. It's still supposed to be beautiful. So I hope everyone has just a wonderful weekend starting soon. Have a great day, everyone. Get that missing work in. Work on your pivot. Work on your review. Work on your multiple choice transport and membrane. And reading guide. Work on your reading guide. There we go. I figured it out. Have a wonderful day, everyone. I'll see you later.